Liège train station. And this is my first day using my EURAIL pass. So we're gonna go from Liège to Freiburg in Germany. And I do have some comments regarding how the process is to book your first trip, because it is a bit confusing. I'll give you some more insight in a sec. Hey, howdy, howdy, howdy. Today is my first day using the EURAIL pass. And it's a little bit confusing. From Liège, Belgium to Freiburg in Germany. And it's been quite an experience actually getting this first trip booked on my EURAIL. The problem I ran into was actually booking my first trip on the app. Now that's not intuitive, and so you need a little bit of time to play around on the app to actually book your first trip and reserve a seat. Now I still haven't figured out how to book an actual seat, how to reserve an actual seat on the app. Can you actually do that on the app? Who knows? Now I took the time to actually research this, and I looked at a bunch of YouTube videos about how to reserve seats, and it's almost like it's like a seat. How do you reserve a seat using the EURAIL app? How nice is this train station in Liège? It is absolutely beautiful. It's so futuristic. I love the views that you get on the platform. It's amazing. Now the first leg of the trip is going to take me from Liège to Cologne, and that takes about an hour. And then I have a 40-minute transfer in Cologne, and then I'm going to take another ICE train to Freiburg, and that's going to take about 3 hours. So it's a pretty long travel day for me. This train was supposed to leave at 1:14. It's already 1:16, so the famous German punctuality, that's not working out. Yeah, so it's a couple minutes late. Let's see how late it's gonna be actually. I'm interested in knowing. So as you can see, it is 1:20. 1:20 and still no train. Oh, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Yes! Finally! I was so ready to put my bags down. I'm so happy to sit down and put my bags down and relax. It's actually really comfortable in here, so that's really, yeah, I was ready. I was ready to get out of there. To Cologne! Yes! We're in Cologne, baby! It's been a minute since I've been out here. I am super excited because I am in Cologne! Yes! Only for the next 10 minutes. But I'm still excited. Oh man. This brings back so many memories for me. So the next train is in the next, hopefully the next 5 minutes or so. It's gonna take us from Cologne to Freiburg. The train is going to Basel, but I'm gonna get off in Freiburg, which is my destination for the day. Let's go! Cheers. It's an all-female dorm. We had a bunch of beds here, and this is mine. We are here in beautiful Freiburg. Oh, it's a fairy tale. It's a fairy tale. So on this episode of Traveling While Broke, we're going to visit some of the highlights of Freiburg, some of the free highlights of Freiburg, beginning with the famous Münsterplatz, which is a town square that is located here in Freiburg and is kind of the social gathering area with lots of bars and restaurants and a beautiful square. So let's go visit our first destination. So I stopped by this little cafe for a cup of coffee and enjoying the view. So we are here at the Münsterplatz, and as it so happens, there is a street food market going on today, so we're in for a treat. Let's go see what we can find. Langerote. What is it made from? Is it pork?
It's pork and a little bit of beef.
Ah, okay. How much is it?
$3.50.
Okay, I'll get one. Now, our first frivolous purchase of the day is a local delicacy called Langerote, or a long red in English. And it is a local sausage that is made from herbs with pork and a little bit of beef. So we're gonna try it in the ideal location right underneath the beautiful cathedral. Let's go. Very flavorful. That's a proper German sausage right here. very nice. Now, traditionally, this sausage is served with mustard and ketchup and a little bit of onions, but the owner didn't have any onions left, so I'm having it plain. My personal opinion is that it doesn't really need the bread. So I mean, if you want to have it plain, it's still as good as you can get. And there's a bee here that doesn't want to leave me alone. To a lot of places in Germany. The atmosphere reminds me a little bit of the Alps. Try the Langerot, the local sausage here. Try their local beers. Oh, it's a fairy tale. So, one way that I've used to save money while I've been here is really just to stay in a hostel. I really like this hostel because it's very, very centrally located. As you can see I'm still in the old town here in Freiburg. Also, it's a very social hostel, so you can really make friends if you're a solo traveler and you want that company. I've really enjoyed that. I've made some friends already while I've been here. Had some great conversations. Yeah, so yeah, it's been pretty good so far. Another thing I like about this city is that they've been super intentional about creating pedestrian friendly walking spaces, like this beautiful path along the river. Oh my God, guys, look at my face. I've been running. I'm here still in Freiburg, and today I'm catching my train to Bern, and I was running late from the hostel, and I was just sure it's not gonna make it because I had to walk 10 minutes to the tram station and then wait for the tram and take the tram and get here in like 20 minutes. I don't know how I just did this, but I made it, and I've got some time to spare. Wow, look at my face, look at me. I'm sweating. Oh my God. This is the second ticket that I would have wasted, because I actually wasted a ticket yesterday because I booked it on the wrong day and I couldn't cancel it. I am so freaking happy I made this train. Let's go to Switzerland. On the ice 275. It's now, y'all, I haven't even had my coffee. This is me pre-coffee, y'all. I am cranky. I'm tired. I need this train to get here so I can get some coffee, because I did not run all the way here just for the train to be late. I am so sorry. I didn't do all this for these people to be late. Seriously, this is giving struggle. See the McDonald's over there? There's a McDonald's right behind me. So near and yet so far. Okay, so I'm on the train. I'm gonna go try to find me some coffee. Let's go try to find some coffee. Just to find this coffee. I literally have walked through maybe 5 of these. This is so much hard work when it's moving already. Success. Now this is not coffee. This is actually hot water, because I have my own coffee. Yes, girl, I'm broke. Child, I've been running all morning. I did not even get a chance to fix my crown, baby. Whoa, what a morning. Oh my God. The fact that I made it on this train is... I'm so happy I made it on the train, because I could not see myself buying another ticket. So let's chitty chat. I was supposed to be out of the dorm by 10. I left at 10:45. The train was supposed to leave at 11:06. Now, I was running because I've always been told German trains are super punctual. This train was 15 minutes late, at least. Okay, so I could have just walked to the tram station. But anyway, I made it. I got me some hot water. I want to fix me my coffee. Yes, and enjoy this lovely view. So we are on the ICE 275 that's operated by Deutsche Bahn. And this train goes to Interlaken, Ost, in Switzerland. And but I'm going to Bern, and the trip from Freiburg to Bern is supposed to be about almost 2 hours, and we just made it past Basel. The train itself is immaculate. I mean, it's super comfortable, as you can see. Like, I mean, there's a coffee, like a restaurant area where you can buy coffee and snacks and stuff. Yeah, this is how traveling should be. If you're traveling on a train, this is it. This is like the epitome of train travel, as far as I'm concerned. The only thing, they were late. So finally, on the tram here in Bern, trying to find my hostel. Let's find our hostel. It is a beautiful day here in Bern, Switzerland, and we are going to do as much exploring as we can do in about a day. I'm here on a rather cloudy Wednesday morning, and I am so excited to be here. I have dreamed of visiting this city in quite a long time, and I'm finally here. Let's see how much we can cover in a day here in Bern, Switzerland. Here in the beautiful city of Bern, Switzerland. Now, the first time I came to Switzerland was back in 2018, and I actually went to Zurich for the first time. And I've always wanted to visit Bern. I'm gonna move away from the tram. Yeah, it's just an amazing city. It's awesome. Now, if you thought that the city of Bern is the capital city of Switzerland, you would be wrong. Now, Switzerland has a decentralized federal government system that is designed to prevent a single city from gaining too much power. And so even though the federal institutions do sit here in Bern, Bern is not the capital city. So the next time somebody tells you that they're going to the capital city of Switzerland, you can tell them, no, actually you're going to the federal city of Switzerland. Now we are walking along the Kramgasse, or the Grosses Alley, which is one of the principal streets here in Bern. Now the Kramgasse is lined with all kinds of shops, and it was the center of urban life in the old town up until the 19th century. Anyone can tell me who this handsome gentleman is here on the Kramgasse? Now we are standing in front of the Rathausplatz number 2, which is the town hall of the city of Bern. Now this building first began construction in 1407 and is the seat of the Grand Council of Bern that sits here 5 times every year. One of the notable figures that lived on this street is none other than Albert Einstein. Now he lived on this street between 1903 and 1905, and his house still has his name on it. So now we're going to try a classic cheese tart called Geshäuse. I am totally butchering this, but it's called Geshäuse. Let's try it. It's a very unique taste. It's salty. Does it have cheese? Well, it has cheese, but does it have bacon? It has some kind of sauce on it, some red sauce, or they just burnt the cheese, which is, yeah, that's what they did. But it's kind of like a mix between like a deep dish Chicago pizza and like what do you call it? Like that little what do they call it in Portugal? They have this pastis. It's kind of a mix between a pastis and a deep dish Chicago pizza. This will do the trick if you have a hankering for pizza but don't actually want to eat all those calories. This will actually sort you out. It's salty. I mean, it's pretty good. You can have one. I'll finish it.